Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on a glimpse from the movie Radhe Shyam.
Yes, this is the teaser basically.
I don't know, but other channel they haven't told it as a teaser. But
okay.
when this is uploaded by T series, they told it as a teaser.
They told it as a teaser. Okay. So not sure. Okay, yes. Another teaser will come or not? क्योंकि निकलता रहता है ना बहुत teaser 1, teaser 2,
lot of the glimpse
trailer 1,
we will
trailer
be
2.
able to see.
Yes. So let's get started. We are very much excited because our favorite Prabhas sir is there in this movie.
And Pooja Hegde is also there.
Yes, right? So let's get started without wasting any time. But before that, if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing our channel and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also follow us on Instagram.
Yes, so let's get started.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay. Wow. What a picturization, right?
Yeah. UV Creations.
Say un angelo!
What language is this?
Spanish, I think.
Maybe.
Devo morire per incontrarti!
Spanish, I think.
Okay.
अपने आप को रोमियो समझते हो?
नहीं, उसे प्यार के लिए जानती थी। मैं उस टाइप का नहीं हूँ।
उसने प्यार के लिए जान दी थी, मैं इस टाइप का नहीं हूँ।
मैं प्यार के लिए जान ले सकता हूँ। राधे श्याम।
Okay, 30th July in cinema.
जुलाई में 30th July में.
So the wait is over for all the people who loves Prabhas, right?
Everybody. I think every single one know that Prabhas sir is there, and I think we have seen one Prabhas sir का कुछ ये था शायद 20 facts of Prabhas sir, something 10 facts of Prabhas sir. There only we saw that in worldwide it was the week was celebrated when that Bahubali movie got released.
In last few years, mostly after Bahubali got released, people got to know him a lot more.
Lot more, yes. And now all people like throughout the India, बोल सकते हो worldwide, everybody loves Prabhas sir.
Knows him.
At
least knows him. Right?
Knows him. Yes.
And also coming to this Radhe Shyam, this movie, I think it will be completely based on love story.
Love story, and I think previous मतलब बहुत दिन पहले का kind of 90s. मतलब not 90s, 1947 हाँ मतलब वही बोल रही हूँ 19
during independence.
Yes, 1920, 1921 kind of that time.
Okay,
because
this
all of
kind
the
of movie Prabhas is doing for the first time.
For the first time,
I haven't seen this kind of movie, and the picturization
from him actually. Yes, the picturization marvelous.
Was having lot of greenery and lot of beauty was
to
there.
Set up this kind of scenario, मतलब वैसा टाइप का environment बनाना पहले के ज़माने के जैसे. It is very difficult. You have to focus on your graphics. You have to think about like उस time कैसा रहता था गाड़ी वगैरह, उस time road कैसा था, उस time पूरा train कैसा रहता था, तो वो सब देख के steam engines हाँ. So people are roaming, and in the crowd he was just jumping and he was telling something in Spanish. Not sure which language is that.
Maybe proposing something like that.
हाँ, senorita something he was telling, and then she just turned. Oh my God, this is very romantic, and I think that is why they have released this on 14th February.
Particular this scene.
Valentine's Day. Because in Valentine's Day ये पूरा एकदम Valentine's Day के जैसा ही मतलब पूरा लग रहा था small celebration.
Okay.
From
so
two couples.
For the first time out of like a lot of the movie or most of the movie, whatever we have seen, he has acted as a kind of action kind of hero, but less as romantic.
Yes.
And this movie, as a name also, it's there Radhe Shyam. It can be like that only, a complete love story.
Maybe a complete love story, but Radhe Shyam मतलब वो मिले नहीं थे, है ना? राधे और श्याम मतलब मैं ये पहले भी बोली थी जब एकदम फर्स्ट लुक निकला था. I told that time also that Radhe Shyam never got united, right? In the myth. We all know that. So maybe this kind of situation will be there, or else like Radhe Shyam मतलब the prem or between that that love story will be there in the movie. Maybe.
And also this movie is going to release on 30th July 2021. So of course it will be a great day for us.
Great summer day. 30th July. Right? So we'll be like going to the theater and watching this movie. Probably Hindi में तो आएगा क्योंकि T series तो ले लिया ना.
I think they will be releasing in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Hindi. I think
हाँ
so.
मे भी
These four language might be
तेलुगु तो हाँ तेलुगु
releasing,
तो
yes.
वो है ओरिजिनल है
Yes.
यूवी क्रिएशंस का
Right.
मतलब ट्रूली अमेजिंग मतलब एक बहुत दिन बाद एक सुंदर सा लव स्टोरी देखने को मिलेगा है ना अभय क्योंकि दिस ईयर स्टार्टेड विद लॉट ऑफ एक्शन लॉट ऑफ गुड स्टोरी लाइन वाला मूवी वी हैव
And
ऑलरेडी
last year
सीन
also,
सोराराई पुत्रे वी हैव
last year-
सीन मास्टर
Last year it went through a lot of bad situations.
So it is very
I
much
think
required.
It's required in this
Yeah.
year.
Yes.
So sometime a cool mind or something like that.
Yes, no, this movie is made in four
Four
languages,
languages,
Abhay.
right?
But Malayalam you didn't
Okay,
tell.
Malayalam.
Hindi, Telugu, Tamil and Malayalam, not Kannada.
Somewhere I saw a Kannada teaser also. This
is
glimpse
it?
only. Somewhere I saw.
Oh,
That's why I
okay.
thought it's getting
But
released.
here it is not written, not sure. Maybe कनाडा में मतलब कोई डब करके ये कर सकता है कोई
Maybe.
कंपनी I don't know. So yes, that is it for today's video. I really love the picturization. I really love the graphics. What do you think about the graphics of
Graphics
animation
and all that,
perspective?
because they have to show older days, so I think they have to do lot of VFX around
VFX,
that,
ha.
because in current situation, if you want to
different.
regenerate with the older situation, you have to use a lot of the VFX.
Lot of VFX,
and also
yeah.
music wise is too much romantic
रोमांटिक
soothing kind of
म्यूजिक
was
सुन
there.
के ही लगेगा 1947 का
Yes,
म्यूजिक है
right.
है ना पूरा लग ही रहा है
I'm
मतलब
not
if you
sure about the instrument, but
हाँ,
some violin or
some
something
violin, हाँ,
kind
violin,
of
yes.
instrument they might be using.
this is very much reminding me of a famous movie which is called 1947 a love story. I think अनिल कपूर और ये है मोनिशा कोइराला
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, राइट?
हाँ अरे बाप रे वो मूवी तो मेरा फेवरेट है ठीक है वो गाना मतलब एवरी सॉन्ग ऑफ दैट मूवी इज लाइक सुपर्ब तो ये जो सॉन्ग है वो रिमाइंड किया मुझे
देयर वाज अ लव स्टोरी along with that there was some kind of freedom fighter story.
यहाँ भी शायद हम देखेंगे मे बी for some freedom fighting will be there because very long ago kind of situation and I think they are in abroad not in India because all of the people are foreigners right so maybe they got there in for their studies or business purpose or something like that they are living out there and after that I think fighting will be happened and because his whole get up मतलब प्रभास सर का whole get up was like foreigners kind of ना jacket वगैरह टोपी वगैरह लगा के रखे थे
also, only foreigners we were able to see and
yes
also one thing I like that in this Hindi dub also I heard the voice of Prabhas only
हाँ that is the voice of Prabhas only yes I also thought the same
so might be he is doing that voice over of Hindi right
हाँ उनको तो हिंदी आती है ना अच्छा खासा हिंदी आती है
not so much good but yes he knows a
हाँ
little bit
वो
I've
जो
seen
मूवी
in
में तो
Kapil Sharma show.
कपिल शर्मा हाँ वो बहुत शाई टाइप के हैं very down to earth and very polite that is what I like the most about South Indian heroes they are very down to earth and very popular they don't show their publicity kind of like thing that yes
what we see on camera and what we see in
off
reality
screen.
it's totally different.
Totally different. Yes, that is why we love. Okay, so yeah, that is it for Radhe Shyam teaser. Let us know actually if the trailer is getting released very soon or when it is planning to get released. What is expectation? What do you think about the storyline? What do you think that how the story will go? Like you can tell in the comment bar. Okay, if you know. And yeah, that is it for today. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.